CB83 package demo video. First, insert the motor into the main control box. Turn on the battery box switch. When there is no frequency alignment, the battery box indicator light flashes. At this point, opening the remote control will automatically synchronize the frequency. After successful frequency matching, the indicator light of the main control box turns on normally. The indicator light will also flash when the remote control is not aligned. After successful frequency matching, the motor can be controlled through the remote control. When the motor is running, the receiving main control light will flash. Next is the demonstration of mobile app operation. First, turn on the main control switch. Click on the Bluetooth connection in the upper left corner of the mobile app. After successfully connecting to the app, you can control the motor on the app control interface. Turn on the battery box switch. Open the programming interface in the app. Click on Bluetooth connection in the upper right corner. The icon turns red to indicate successful connection. On the left page, there are programming modules with different functions available in the drop-down menu. Start dragging in programming module. Click to run programming. You can pause and start at any time during the programming process. Click the Save button in the upper right corner to save the current. CB83